Sanag has sent me some earbuds, earpieces, true wireless stereo to test out. Not a sponsor. So after unboxing it, it comes with your very own VIP card. Yeah, you become a VIP of the company. No, just kidding. All jokes set aside, that right there gives you access to the app to download for the Sanag. The Sanag app earbuds, so you can control your earbuds, which I'll explain a little bit later how that works. Obviously it comes with instructions, charging cable, I think it's the Type C, and obviously it comes with this case, the earbud holders, and it comes with the earbuds as well. Open them, well, pretty easy. You just fold it open. Kind of hard to do with one hand right now for me because I'm filming, but there you go. You open it and that's how they look like. Looks luxurious for sure. I just hope they work as good as they look like. Very luxurious for sure. And this is what they look like outside of their holder. The color I got is black, or more specifically looks like black chrome. As you can see with the light on them, they really like to shine up, but this is their black color option. You look at that, they can hang on each other with magnets. Yeah. Okay, so this is how you wear them. Kind of interesting. Never actually wore earpieces like this, but they're actually pretty comfortable. Now to turn them on, all you got to do is open this case and put them on, or tap on them, hold for 3 seconds, and that will manually turn them on or off. But to shut them down, you would need to hold on to it for 7 seconds instead of the normal 3 seconds. Now to pair them, it's very easy. As soon as it's turned on, it's automatically in pairing mode. Go to your settings and find the Sanag device on your Bluetooth settings, and it's very easy to pair. Now to answer a call, you simply tap while incoming call is coming on any ear to answer your call. To end the call, all you gotta do is double tap both left and right ears. And to reject an incoming phone call, all you gotta do is you gotta tap and hold for 2 seconds on both the left and right ears. To pause and play your music, just tap at any ear at will. To listen to the previous track or song, double tap the left ear. To move forward on a song or track, double tap the right ear. For volume increase, 3 clicks to the left ear. For volume decrease, 3 clicks to the right ear. If I'm only on one ear setup, because if you're a truck driver like me or driving your car, legally you can only have one earpiece in one of your ears at a time while driving. I don't know, everything is manual control from your phone at that point because the controls are completely useless for one ear. But yes, you can listen and talk on the phone with only having one ear piece in and on you while you are listening to music or talking on the phone. Alright, time to listen to the music, and I'll let you know how well they sound. So these Sanag, if I say it right, Sanag, yeah, Sanag, they work well with music. Now, it may not be your super loud headphones that you can buy, or super loud Android earpiece, but guess what? They work pretty well. They're comfortable in your ear. It's not bothering my ear at all. And whenever I want to, I can actually hear the outside as well. It's not bad at all. Like, I can hear the outside whenever I need to. As a truck driver, it's very important for me. That way I can hear on the outside what's going on in my truck when I'm talking on the phone or listening to music, because that is definitely what I want. I love noise canceling, but it's not safe if you're driving down the road. So please do not wear 2 earpieces when you're driving down the road. Also, I just did a phone call, and based on the phone call, I experimented with 2 earpieces and 1 earpiece. To do a proper phone call, if you're doing with 2 earpieces and you're in a loud environment, just so you know, yes, it will pick up the loud environment somewhat, not 100%, so it does a pretty good job of canceling out the outside noises. But the best it does at canceling outside noises is if you're only at 1 earpiece. So take off 1 earpiece and you are at less background noise heard on the person that's on the other line. What's cool about these earpieces is the fact that 8 hours it lasts on one charge. Also, this case right here is good to charge your earpieces for 70 hours. And if you're not using them at all, say it's just in the case, charged up, not use it all, 90-day standby time. How amazing is that? That for 90 days, you could actually use it, like not use it and come up 45 days later after you just left it somewhere, and it'll work right off the bat and not be at a low or dead battery. Also, when you buy them, they're at 60%. And yes, I do recommend downloading the app. That's the best thing you can do. Download the app, because I'm about to show you what the app can do. Also, charging is very easy. Just simply put them back into the case, close it, and it charges. Once it's finished charging, this is going to illuminate full blue. It's going to turn off in just a second here, but when they finish charging, it's going to turn on into a full blue. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.